I'm not too concerned about these being long, so I'm not trying to wrap a popsicle stick. Yeah, can you believe that? I did that. I wrapped dry bean curd skin. What the hell is that? Around a popsicle stick. And I made drumsticks. And this time, instead of cutting them one at a time, I'm gonna be kind of smart. I'm gonna cut them this way. I'm gonna cut these guys. What is that? Widthwise? That's widthwise, right? Widthwise. Yeah, I'm gonna cut these guys widthwise. I'm gonna cut them this way. Little side note. Probably not a good idea to cut all the pieces at once because you're going to end up with the Yuba crumbs all over your kitchen floor. I gotta cut them one at a time. You gotta dip them in this fucking thing. Why are you being mean, Yuba? Just trying to make something beautiful out of you. Just trying to make you look beautiful. That's gonna make you beautiful. Oh, wow, it like exploded all the way over there too. Might as well blow more on the floor. Once it's warmed up, you're going to want to put in 3 beef bouillon cubes. You're not going to want to plop it into the bowl though. You're probably going to want to like gently put it in the bowl so that you don't get mushroom froth all over your clothes. Just like that. Just like that. Oh man, these bouillon cubes are being tough. They're being tough. They must have teamed up with the Yuba sheets. They were like, hey, she's going to make a video really early in the morning. Let's have some fun. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Heathen Vegan, an online, mostly gluten-free vegan cooking channel where I show you guys how to make some really good food that's good for you, that's good for the environment, and I also try to make sure that the ingredients that I get are as pure and as simple as they can be. I also try to make sure that they're easily accessible to you in your local grocery stores. And I say that because of the fact that I'm just amazed at the amount of alternative food there actually is in the grocery stores now. Because I know like years and years and years ago, you were pretty hard pressed if you wanted to make something. If you wanted to make any of the other recipes that I have on my channel right now, that was going to be a bit of a process. So with me saying that, it's because the fact that these ingredients, these products are now easily accessible, and I gotta tell you, that makes me kind of happy. And the purpose of my channel is to show you guys that you can take mainstream comfort food and you can turn it into something that's good for you, that's healthy for you, that tastes great, and that's good for the environment. You know, my channel's not here to convert anybody. If you're not trying to be a vegan, that's great. If you're not trying to be gluten-free, that's great. If you're not trying to be a gluten-free vegan, that's awesome too. But if every now and then you'd like to try something different, just to broaden your horizons, then yeah, definitely take the time to check out these recipes. I know, you know, in this day and age, we're so cluttered with technology, with the demands and the responsibilities that we have in this lifetime. But if you take a quick second out for yourself, just to relax, you know, and to do something new, it kind of helps to expand the possibilities of what you can do, because the world is an amazing place. It truly, truly is. Anyway, so today's recipe, I like saying that. Today's recipe is yet again another Yuba recipe. When I originally bought these Yuba sheets, I had wanted to make a cheesesteak recipe, and I'm talking for like months and months and months. And I thought of the ways I could do it with the products that I knew existed, and nothing just seemed right. There's a recipe that I do like that I can't think of how to do it, then I'll start to Google it. So that was one of them. That's how I discovered Yuba sheets. So this is the original reason why I bought the Yuba sheets. And again, I researched the different recipes that I saw, which there wasn't that many. There was only, actually to be honest with you, there was only one recipe that I found for a Yuba cheesesteak. So I took this, I've turned it into my own recipe. Yet again, I haven't checked it out. It's just my mind doing what it does, and it's a wonderful thing. So I'm going to take you guys on this adventure with me. I'm kind of enjoying taking you guys on these adventures with me. I think it's good stuff. I hope you guys do too. I do appreciate you guys tuning in and leaving kind comments and stuff like that. It's always a wonderful thing, so thank you. This is a recipe that's not going to take that long. The longest thing that's going to take is for the Yuba sheets, is for them to marinate in the marinade that we are going to make for them. And with that being said, let's get to cooking. Let's have a good time.